This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard slime soft. First, gather your hardened slime in a small, clean bowl. Begin by adding just 1 teaspoon of warm water directly to the slime. Now, gently knead the slime with your hands for about 2 minutes. This initial step helps to reintroduce moisture and start breaking down its rigid structure, making it more pliable for the next stages. If your slime is still too firm, add another half teaspoon of warm water. Be careful not to add too much at once, as overwatering can make it sticky. Continue kneading the slime thoroughly, observing its texture. You should notice it becoming progressively softer and more elastic. Test its stretchiness and pliability to gauge its current consistency before moving on. For an extra boost of softness, try adding 1 pump of hand lotion. Alternatively, a few drops of hand sanitizer can also work wonders. These ingredients help to break down the slime's bonds and add a smooth, supple texture. Mix it in thoroughly, kneading, until the slime reaches your desired level of softness and stretchiness. This method is great for a quick fix. To keep your slime soft for longer, always store it in an airtight container when not in use. If it starts to harden again, simply repeat the process with a few drops of warm water. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in preserving its perfect texture. Also, for those interested in personal finance, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly soft slime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.